Hi, Mignonette Bailey here with your Down and Dirty Garden Tip. My tip for you today is, do you know about composting? Now this word, I'm sure you are hearing it all over the place, but it's for a very good reason. Composting in the garden is really the final step and just closes the loop on the gardening cycle. It's a way for you to repurpose dead leaves, scraps, and other things and allow them to literally become nutrients for your soil. Composting can be super easy, doesn't take a lot of space, and it's something you can start doing today. If you want to learn more about composting, head over to Amphy, sign up for my gardening class so that I can be part of your gardening journey. Happy growing.